Good day everyone and welcome to CVR's research. According to World Health Organization or the WHO estimation, 285 million people are either visually impaired or blind. Same number of people has to deal with the challenge of having sight loss or low vision when living life. Blind individuals are just like anyone else, but they just can't see. People who are completely blind or have impaired vision usually have a difficult time navigating outside the spaces that they are accustomed to. In fact, physical movement is one of the biggest challenges for blind people. They are also prone to minor or even major accidents. To provide solution to this problem, we created Smartbind, an Arduino-based obstacle detecting wristband. This device is capable of detecting objects within 100 meters of range in any direction. Our device is composed of two major components, an IR sensor and a buzzer. If it detects anything within 100 meters, the IR sensor detects it and the buzzer rings to inform the user that there is something ahead of them. Our design is so convenient and easy to use, since it is just a wristband and you just have to set it up and put it on to make it work. That is all about our research, and again, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.